50 days after that, the Jews celebrate the feast of Pentecost. Penta is 50, and that's the feast where they bring the first offerings. They trust the Lord, said, you brought us out of Egypt, now we trust you for the harvest is to come, and they bring the first offerings. So there would be loads of people in Jerusalem every year around that time, and our God plans things to perfection. Pentecost didn't just happen at some time, it happened at exactly the right time. 40 days after Passover, Jesus ascended to heaven, and he said to his disciples there in Acts 1 verse 4, Jesus said to his disciples, go wait there in Jerusalem, you will receive the promise of the Father, the promise that he prepared them for, and that was the promise of another helper. Remember? Holy Spirit. And that would be the time that his words would come into fulfillment. Also a part that he said at the start of his ministry while talking to a woman there in Samaria. He said to her, this is a time where God needs worshipers that will worship him in spirit and truth. Why? Because God is spirit. And those who worship him, John 4:24, who worship him must worship in spirit and truth. Because those in Samaria were praying at certain places, thinking that this is the place to worship God. And he said, God is spirit, he's everywhere. But we need to learn how to worship him in spirit and truth.